Now it's time to play with graphics and let's create a snowflake. Open a new program and type import turtle pat equals turtle.turtle pat dot forward 100. Click the run icon and save. When the program has saved, a new window called Turtle Graphics will appear and you'll see the result of your program. Your turtle, Pat, will move forwards 100 units, drawing a straight line. Typing out every single movement instruction by hand would be tedious, so delete line 3 and create a loop to do the hard work of creating shapes. 4. In range 2. Pat dot forward 100. Pat dot right 60. Pat dot forward 100. Pat dot right 120. The third line begins a definite loop. A counter, I, is assigned to the loop starting with 0. The colon symbol tells Python that the next instruction should be part of the loop. Run your program. Pat will draw a parallelogram. Forward for 100 units. Right holding 60 units. Forward for 100 units. And again right, 120 units, to turn the parallelogram into a snowflake-like shape. Type this. Import turtle. Pat equals turtle.turtle 4. In range 10. This is the main loop. And the count is assigned for 10 number of parallelograms. Now open another for loop. Leaving some space from the margin. To draw a parallelogram. 4. In range 2. Pat dot forward 100. Pat dot right 60. Pat dot forward 100. Pat dot right 120. Pat dot right 36. Pat dot 36 should be outside the second loop. It will draw a parallelogram as before. But when it's done it will turn 36 degrees and draw another. Then another and so on until there are 10 overlapping parallelograms on the Python Turtle graphics screen. Python simulated turtle can use a range of colors. Add a new line 3 and 4 pushing the existing lines down. Turtle dot screen dot bg color yellow. Pat dot color blue. Run the program. The background color has changed to yellow and the snowflake is blue. Using random library. We can also have the colors chosen randomly. Add this on line 2. Import random colors equals cyan, purple, white, blue. This type of variable is known as a list and is marked by square brackets. At the very end of the program enter the following. Pat dot color random dot choice colors. Run the program and see the random color in each petal. Let's familiarize Pinup and Benddown instructions. The Pinup and Benddown instructions would move a physical pin off and onto the paper. Add a new line 6 and type these. Pat dot. Pin up. Pat dot forward 90. Pat dot left 45. Pat dot. Pen down. Let's make a few more changes by creating a function called branch. This defines your function branch. Also, make changes on for loops like this. Run the program. See the perfect snowflake now.